So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to the link which I'll leave down below in the description, and then you want to download DirectX User Runtime Web Installer. You want to select your language, and then click on download. Now once it's been downloaded, we're going to open it up, and we're going to install it. So click on yes, and then click on I accept, click on next. You don't have to install the Bing bar, so you can just remove this, and then click on next again. Now it's installing. Click on next again, and now we're going to let this install. Now once it's been installed, you want to click on finish. Now for the next step, you want to head over to the link which I'll leave down below in the description. Now once you're on this, we're going to scroll down, and then you want to download the DLL file for your correct architecture. So we're going to head over to search, and then type in system information, click on it. And now once you're on this, next to system type, it will tell you what you have. So I've got 64-bit, so I'm going to download the 64-bit architecture one. Click on download. Now it's going to download automatically. So now once it's been downloaded, it's going to come in a zip file. So what you want to do is you want to right click and then hold the zip file, and then you just want to drag it to anywhere. And then you want to click on extract. And then click on extract again. And now you have the DLL file right here. I'm just going to move this to my desktop. And I'm going to delete both of these folders now. And I have this now here on my desktop. Now you want to copy this, so right click and then click on copy. Now you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. Now once you're on this, we're going to click on this PC. Then you want to click on the drive where you have Windows installed on. So it's probably going to be your C drive. Click on Windows, scroll down again, and then click on System 32. And now you just want to paste it in this folder. So you want to right click and then click on paste. If you get this, you want to click on replace the file. And then click on continue. Now you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.